Through God, for the past troubles will be forgotten and hidden from my eyes. This is a powerful reminder kung sino ang ating Panginoon na hindi nagbabago ang kanyang katapatan. He is the ultimate source of all our blessings and promises, and that's why He deserves recognition and honor from all of us. This verse also offers hope and assurance sa mga nakaranas ng kahirapan at mga pagsubok, assuring them that God is able to bring future where past troubles are forgotten and hidden from His eyes. Amen? Amen. Isang tunay na Diyos